Tell me why you're crying, how can it be you? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah.
You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, but that you call and you talk to girls. I'll share my world with you. If you gonna waste your time, waste your time with me. I mean honestly, open your eyes and see. If you gonna who's giving you what you need, waste your time with me. You could have all the space, more than you need. It's no rush, you can if you got time to waste it with me. And I ain't worried about them. Girl, you wanted I say, and I am who I am, and I be where I be. If you ever hit me on a late night, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you.
I do that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I'm so that like you, that bitch I do it. All I won't cry, was kidding. I'm not. Long as you joking, now in for me. I ain't got it. I'm been skinning through it. I your bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. For the truth, I look better under you. I get lost when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't snooze when I'm with you. I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You know.
We are sit the handy for the day, baby. Bad man, we no stray, baby. Oops, I done fell for your way, baby. I know, girl, but you don't know from the first time I seen your love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I will fall for you, you got to know that everyone falls. Oops, I done fell so deep, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I done fell so deep, 'cause everyone falls in love sometimes. I don't know about you, but it ain't a crime. If you let me love you, love you, love you, love you for a long time, baby. If you let me touch and if you let me love you till the morning, if you let me love you, if you let me love you, we are standing for the day, baby.
Hey everyone, it's currently 8:30 at night. We did have a power outage from about 4:30 to 5, just until recent. So I couldn't do my vacuuming, I couldn't use anything with electricity. And so I couldn't really finish my cleaning or anything else I wanted to do. Literally, it was pitch black only until like an hour ago. But I got almost everything I wanted done today, which I'm really happy about. But thank you so much for watching. This video is a little bit different. This will be my second video this week. Wow. Please subscribe if you like my videos and the style of videos I've made. My most recent ones being vlogs pretty much. So if you're into that, you should have a watch. Let me know. But that is all. Have a great day. Bye.